Hi everyone, I'm Miss Laura from Chinn Park Library, and on today's STEAM at Home, we're going to build this cotton ball launcher and we're going to explore two different kinds of energy. So join me. For this project, you'll need the following materials: 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 rubber bands, a pencil, cotton balls, scissors, and if you have one, a hole punch, but you don't necessarily need this. But all things you should have at home. Also, some strong tape. Use your scissors to cut one of the toilet paper tubes in half lengthwise. Then squeeze the tube together so that the diameter of it is about half of its original size. Then you're going to use some tape to secure it together. Next, you're going to use your scissors or a hole punch to punch a hole on either side of the narrow tube about a ½ inch down. Okay? When you punch the other hole, you want to make sure that they're opposite of each other. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to carefully put it through the holes in your tube. Now this part may be difficult for smaller children, so parents, you may want to help with this part or have older siblings help. So now you have the pencil through the tube. On your second toilet paper tube, you're going to want to cut 2 slits on one end about a ½ inch long and about a ½ inch apart. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the exact opposite side of the tube. Now I'm going to take one rubber band and carefully put it through the slits in the side of the tube so that the middle part is in the middle of the rubber band. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next thing we want to do is put a little piece of tape over the slits to reinforce the cardboard tube. We don't want to tear it any further. So I'm going to put a piece of tape on this side. And then another one on this side. Let's see, it looks like this. Okay. Now we have this part finished. We're going to take our other tube and we're going to slide it into the bottom. And we're going to take our rubber bands. We're going to pull them over the pencil on either side. See how that works? You can pull on it and close it just like that. All right, finally we're going to take one of our cotton balls and we're going to put it in the top so that it's sitting on top of the smaller tube, and we could hold it at an angle just like this and pull back and we can boop, shoot our cotton ball out of the top. And now for the science. In this project you use 2 different kinds of energy to load and launch your ball. So when you had your cotton ball sitting in the top of the launcher and you pulled it back, you had potential energy. And when you let go, you had kinetic energy. There you go. Thank you so much for joining me today for today's STEAM at Home, building our cotton ball launcher. I'm Miss Laura from Chinn Park, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.